Private companies that operate charter schools are aggressively seeking new space to operate across the state. This is part of the Schools of Hope program expansion approved by lawmakers.
West Show's Greg Fox is live in downtown Orlando. Greg, a number of notices have come into the school district offices.
Yeah, dozens of notices, and not just Orange County, but also other school districts in Central Florida by these companies that want to open Schools of Hope. Right now, they've all been denied for Orange County. That's what we learned this afternoon, but that could change in the future. Hungerford Elementary in Eatonville, Washington Shores Elementary, Ivy Lane Elementary, and others have been targeted by nonprofit companies to be Schools of Hope. Under a new state law, persistently low-performing schools facing declining enrollment could see a School of Hope charter operation co-locate onto existing public school property, rent-free. Taxpayer dollars would also pay for cleaning and maintenance staffs at those properties.
We denied them because they're not a Hope operator.
The Orange County School District identified 8 total schools that might have met the eligibility requirements to have a School of Hope co-locate on their campuses, but for a variety of reasons, they were denied. For example, the schools targeted either have documented improvements in academics or a projected rise in enrollment.
We really need to educate our community, our public, on the impact the Schools of Hope and co-location is having on our district.
Some board members expressed frustration by the lack of clear rules by the state to ensure districts are following the law and coordinating day-to-day operations on campuses where 2 different schools might operate with different hours and on different days.
Have we had any discussions about unions, how that works? Because most charters don't have unions for their employees. But I guess there are employees. It's so confusing. I don't even know what's going on.
In total, the Orange County School District received more than 65 notices from companies interested in turning public school campuses into Schools of Hope. According to public records obtained by the Florida Policy Institute, 690 Schools of Hope notices have been sent to 22 school districts in the state. 7 of those districts are in Central Florida, where 197 notices have been received so far. Nearly half, 311, have been sent to districts by Bridge Prep, a company that operates a charter school in Orange County, but is not an authorized Schools of Hope operator. And the superintendent and staff will get together in the coming weeks before coming back to the board with more information to clarify exactly how these rules work with the state going forward on Schools of Hope. Covering Orange County live in Orlando, Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.